You can sit over a cushion or a folded blanket. Cross your legs. Loosen up your shoulders. Lift your spine up. Just for a few moments, let's connect to our breath. Close your eyes. Notice how the crown of your head is sitting over the base of your spine. Ground through your sitting bones into the surface. Relax your hip joint. Loosen up your legs towards the ground. Let go of the tension through your knees. Relax your feet. Do not burden your shoulders with unnecessary tension. Soften your facial expressions. Do not clench your jaws. Relax your chin. And start watching your breath. Deep in breath through the nose. Inhale. Exhale out deeply through the nose. Notice the gentle movement of your belly, your rib cage, and your chest along with your breath. Slower, softer, deeper inhalations and exhalations. Inhale and fill up your lungs fully. Inflate your belly. Exhale as you deflate your belly and empty your lungs of every breath. Inhale and notice the expansion in your chest, your ribs, your belly. Exhale and notice how the belly is drawing away from your t-shirt towards your spine. Your chest is dropping, your ribs are softening. Take a deep breath in, inhale. And exhale. Inhale and notice the breath passing through your spinal column. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Keeping your eyes closed, let's do some arm movements. With the inhalation, start lifting your arms up over your head. As you exhale, start drawing the arms by the sides. Maintain the length of your spine. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale and draw the arms by the sides. One more time. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, draw the arms by the sides. This time, inhale, lift the arms up. Maintain the long length of your torso. Intertwine your palms and turn your palms inside out towards the ceiling. Draw the arms behind your ears. Stay put over here. Keep lengthening through your arms upwards. Pull the arms into your shoulder sockets, stacking your shoulder blades into you. Stay there, cut across your elbows. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and start bending towards the right without lifting through your knee. Extend through your left arm more than the right arm. Don't lift your knee, press the knee into the surface. Inhale and come back center. Exhale and bend towards your left. Pull yourself through your right arm more than the left arm. Inhale and come back center. Exhale, release your arms in line with the shoulders. Pull your palms upwards. Push the palms away from you as if you are pushing to walls. Stay there, keep curling the fingers upwards, bending from your wrist joint, and press the arms behind you. Feeling the shoulder blades pinching into each other, chest is lifted up, head and neck is in one long line sitting over your spine. Draw the arms towards the center. Relax your palms. Face the palms towards each other. From here, take a deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale and open the right arm towards the back and twist through your torso towards the right. Inhale and come back center. Exhale and open the left arm towards the back and twist through your torso towards the left. Inhale and come back center. Exhale and open up towards the right, chest facing towards the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale and open towards the left. Take the arm behind you. Inhale and come back center. One more time. Exhale and twist towards the right. Open your arm. Inhale and in. Exhale and open and twist towards the left. Inhale and center. And release your arms. From here, let the right fingertips be by the side. Lift the left arm up. Lengthen through your side. Crawl the right fingertip away from you and bend over towards the right side. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. You can even bend the right elbow and place your forearm onto the surface. From here, push the right shoulder forward, left shoulder back, and revolve the chest towards the ceiling. Look up towards the ceiling. Breathe into your left side. Feel your left lung. Feel your rib cage. Keep breathing. And very slowly come back. Release your left arm by the side. Lift your right arm up. Take a deep breath in. Inhale and lengthen up. Exhale and crawl through your left fingertips away from you and bend over towards the left side. You can bend the left elbow, place your forearm on the surface and extend towards the left side. Push the left shoulder forward, right shoulder back, look towards the ceiling. Chest facing towards the ceiling and breathe into your right lung. Breathe into the right side of your trunk. And very slowly, with an inhalation, come back. Release your right arm. Extend your legs out into a straight line. Bounce your legs up and down, loosening up your knee joint. I'm turning towards the side so that you can have a look. If you cannot maintain the spine long and erect, please sit over something. Squeeze out the flesh through your sitting bones. Feel the sitting bones into the ground. Curl the toes towards your face. Push the heels away from you. Sit upright and keep curling. And press the back of your legs and back of your knees into the surface. Stay here, palms by the sides. From here, extend through your metatarsals and take the toes away from you. Pointing through your toes. And curl the toes towards you into dorsiflexion. Curl the toes away from you into plantar flexion towards the floor. Curl the toes towards your face and away from your face towards the surface. In towards your face and away from you. One more time towards your face and away from you. And start doing ankle circles, full circle, both the feet in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and change the direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one last time. 1. From here, just drag your right foot in towards your groin and extend it out. Drag the left foot in, extend it out. Keep moving one after another, loosening up your knee joint, just dragging through your foot in along the long edge of the mat. One after another. Keep going. Do not completely lean back. Take the support of your palms and stay upright. Keep pulling the foot in. Couple of rounds more. One last time, each side. And relax. From here, bend the right leg. Grab the right knee and right thigh closer towards your chest. And extend the right leg up. Bend it. Extend it. Bend. Extend. And bend. Extend it. And bend one more time. Extend. And bend. And this time extend the leg. Curl the toes towards your face and walk up with your palms towards your ankle or towards your foot. If you cannot, you just grab your calf, your knee, your thigh, whatever works for you. Relax the shoulders and pull the leg into your face. Stay there. Breathe for 5 deep breaths. Keep pushing the heel away and keep curling the toes towards you. One more deep breath. And slowly bend the leg. Extend it out. Fold the left leg. Pull it towards your chest. Once again, straighten the leg. And bend. Straighten it out. Bend it. Straighten. And bend. 2 more times. Straighten the leg. Bend. 1 more time. Straighten. And bend. And this time, straighten the leg, walk the palm closer towards your ankle or towards your foot. Suck the kneecap, straighten the leg, elongate through the back of your leg, pull the toes towards you, push the heel away, stay there. Breathe, shoulders relaxed. Do not contour your facial muscles. And slowly release the leg. From here, bend both the legs. Let's do some spinal breathing. Bring the palms under your knees or by the sides of your knees. Sit upright, sitting onto your 2 sitting bones and your tailbone. Look in the front. Roll the shoulders back and down. Take a deep breath in. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale, scoop the belly, draw the belly in and just roll back few inches. Inhale and stack up your vertebrae into a straight seated position. Exhale and scoop the belly, breathe into your back body. Inhale and come forward. Exhale out into a long exhalation through the mouth. Inhale and come forward. Exhale, scoop the belly, hug the belly in towards your spine. Inhale and come forward. Exhale and belly hug towards the spine. Rock back few inches. Inhale and come forward. 2 more times. Exhale. Inhale and up. One last time. Exhale. Inhale and up. This time, exhale. Stay put over here. 5, 4, palms by the sides of your knees. 3, maintain the hugging of the belly. 2, 1, From here, slowly start rolling back onto the mat, one vertebrae after another. Walk your feet closer towards your sit bones. If you need something under your head, please feel free to take it. Do not let the neck be pressurized and do not tip the head towards the back. Arms by the sides. Press the feet firmly into the surface. Let's go into deep abdominal breathing. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth and belly button towards your spine. Spine into the mat. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth, belly button towards your spine, spine imprinted into the surface. Notice how the glutes are also responding over here. Inhale through the nose. And exhale out into a long whistling breath through the mouth, navel to your spine, spine towards the surface. Inhale once again through the nose. Exhale into a long exhalation through the mouth. Hug the navel towards your spine, spine into the mat. One last time. Inhale. And exhale out through the mouth. Inhale and relax. Keeping the arms by the sides. In this same technique, we are going to go into the bridge position. Take a deep breath through the nose. Exhale and belly towards your spine. Imprint your spine into the surface. Pelvic tilt, pubic bone towards your chest. Lift up through your hips. Lift through your lower back. Lift through your mid back. Coming onto the tops of your shoulders into a bridge. Legs parallel to each other. Inhale over here. Exhale and very slowly every vertebrae after another, starting from your mid back. Release your spine into the surface. In breath. Exhale. Pubic bone to your chest. Pelvic curl. Lengthen your tailbone and then lift up through your hips, your lower back, your mid back. Inhale on the top. Exhale and every vertebrae after another, start stacking yourself down into the surface. Do not widen the legs. Maintain them parallel to each other. In breath through the nose. Exhale, belly towards the spine, pelvic tilt, lengthening your spine and lift up. In breath. Exhale. Imagine you are wearing a horizontal striped t-shirt and how does the stripes come one after another down? Inhale over here. Exhale and once again, pelvic curl. Lengthen your spine. Pubic bone to your chest and lift up into a nice bridge. In breath over here. Exhale and slowly and gently vertebrae after vertebrae come down. One last time. Inhale here. Exhale, pelvic curl, belly into your spine, activating through your gluteals and your hamstrings. Lift up. Stay put over here. Breathe for 5 deep breaths. Shoulders rolled in. Pinky finger, the little finger reaching towards your feet. 5, 4, keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, and start melting your spine into the surface. Maintain the left leg bent and hug the right knee into your chest. From here, extend the left leg out. Point through your left toes away from you into plantar flexion. Keep hugging the right knee closer towards your chest. And from here, extend the right leg up towards the ceiling, 90 degrees. Grab the leg, flex the foot towards your face and lift up through your head and chest closer towards your right leg. You can walk the palms towards your ankle, or you can simply grab the back of the knee. Keep pulling the leg towards you. Relax the shoulders down. Do not notch up through your shoulders. Now point the toes away from you. Extend through the metatarsals and keep pulling the leg in. One more breath. And slowly release your head and shoulder down. Release the right leg. Hug the left knee into your chest. Extend the right leg out. Point through your right toes away from you. Keep reaching the right leg towards the front of the room. Keep drawing the left knee and thigh into you. And from here, extend the left leg up towards the ceiling 90 degrees. Grab the leg. Flex the foot. Curling the toes towards your face. Lift up through your head and chest closer towards your leg. Pull it in towards your face without pressurizing your neck and shoulder. And now extend through your metatarsals, pointing the toes towards the ceiling and further pulling the leg in. And slowly release. Extend the left leg out. From here, point both the feet away from you. Lengthen your entire body. Take your arms behind your head. Stretch your arms, palms facing upwards. Scoop the belly. Elongate your entire body. Just imagine somebody is pulling you through your feet and through your palms. And release. Bend the legs. Turn onto your left side, keeping the legs bent. You can take a cushion or a folded blanket, place it under your head. Extend your left arm out and stack your right arm over the left arm. We are going into spine twist, but we are not going to move the legs. We are going to work on the shoulder and the arm and the upper back. Take a deep breath in, inhale, and start opening your right arm towards the back. Open the chest and the heart towards the ceiling. Exhale and draw the arm back onto your left arm. Inhale and open the arm and the shoulder. Look towards the ceiling. Chest facing towards the ceiling. Exhale and draw the arm over your left arm. Inhale and open out. Reach with your right arm onto the surface. Exhale and draw the arm back onto the left arm. Two more times. Inhale and open out. Face your heart towards the ceiling. Exhale and arm over the arm. One more time. Inhale and open up. Reach your arm towards the back, chest facing towards the ceiling, and stay here. Just breathe. Keep pressing the shoulder blades into the surface, and breathe. And from here, directly turn towards the center, maintaining the arms in a T position. Just maintain the arms in a T position and turn towards the center with your legs and your upper body. Now bring the arms over your chest, palms facing each other. And from here, just draw the arms just like puppet arms into your shoulder socket. So press the shoulder down. And now elevate your arms up towards the ceiling. And press the arms into your shoulder socket, shoulders into the surface. Lift your arms, reaching towards the ceiling as if you want to pick up something from a rack. And then pull the arms in to your shoulder socket. Lift your arms up, elevating them, and then depress the arms down into the shoulder socket. Pull the arms up and release the arms into the shoulder socket. Pull the arms up towards the ceiling and draw the arms into your shoulder socket. Two more times. Lift your arms up, reaching towards the ceiling and pull the arms into your shoulder socket. Maintain this position, and from here turn towards your right side, towards the right, keeping the legs bent, stacking your left arm over the right arm. Take a deep breath in, inhale, and open your left arm onto the surface, chest facing towards the ceiling. Exhale and draw the left arm over your right arm, turning towards the right. Inhale and open out. Reach with your arm towards the back onto the surface. Exhale and stack your arm over your bottom arm. Inhale and open out. Heart facing towards the ceiling. Exhale and draw the arm back onto your right arm. One more time. Inhale and open. Open, 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 and stay there. Just breathe. Chest is facing towards the ceiling. Release the shoulder and the arm into the surface. And very slowly from here, turn towards the center. Draw the legs towards the center. And bring the arms by the sides. Okay, now bring the right foot over the left thigh into figure 4 legs. Take the right palm and push the right knee away from you. Press the right knee away from you. And maintaining this figure 4 position, grab your left thigh into your chest and your belly. You can grab under the knee or over your shin. And just rock from side to side, gently massaging the areas around your spine, around your lower back. Keep releasing the tailbone into the surface. Keep pulling and drawing the left thigh closer towards your belly and your chest, feeling maximum sensations onto your right hip. Stay there towards the center, hold it for a few breaths. Let the tissues around your right hip access the stretch. Be there. And slowly release the left leg down. Maintain the figure 4 legs. Bring the arms in line with your shoulders in a T position, palms pressing down. And twist onto your left side, placing the right foot onto the surface, left knee and left thigh onto the surface, right knee pointing upwards. Stay there. Now in this position itself, you are going to grab the left foot with your right palm and pull the left foot into your hip. Cat pulling the tail. So with your right palm, grab the left foot and pull it into your hip for a quad stretch. Stay there for a few breaths. Keep drawing it closer towards your hip. Just release the shoulder and the shoulder blade into the surface. Do not lift up through your shoulder joint. Few more breaths. And slowly release the clasp of your left foot. And come back to the center. Release the right foot. Bring the left foot over your right thigh into figure 4 legs. With the left palm, push the left knee away from you. And grab the right thigh and right knee into your chest. You can grab under the knee or over your shin. And just massage your back by rocking from side to side. Feel those tender points if you are feeling tighter. Otherwise, just stay into the center. Just notice the sensations onto your left hip. And slowly release the right leg down, maintaining the figure four legs. Arms in line with the shoulders in a T position. Twist onto your right side. Stay here. And now this time, grab your right foot with your left palm closer towards your hip. And just release the shoulder and the shoulder blade into the surface. Keep drawing the right foot closer towards your hip. Three more breaths. And slowly release the foot. Come back to the center. Release the left leg. From here, lift both the legs into tabletop position. Bring your palms over your knee joint, your kneecap, and start circling through your hip joint, your legs in opposite direction. Circle your legs opposite to each other. Open out the legs and circle them through your hip joint. Try not moving the lower legs. Just work through your hip joint, massaging the hip joint. It is actually massaging your lower back. And change the direction. And release both the legs down. This time, just lift up the right leg, straight 90 degrees. And from here, lower the right leg towards the right side onto the surface. Don't lift up and do not move the left leg, left hip. Just drop the right leg completely onto the surface and keep walking through your right foot closer towards your face. If you wish, you can have your arms in a T position in line with the shoulders. Those of you who have enough flexibility to open the left leg, just straighten the left leg out. If you're feeling too tight into your pelvis today, just keep the left leg bent. Right leg towards the side, keep looking towards the ceiling. Maintain the leveling up of your hips. Do not lift through your left hip. Keep pressing it down into the surface. Hold it for a few breaths. Bringing the arms in line in a T position, in line with your shoulders in a T position. Lift up the right leg and take it across your left leg towards the left side. Don't lift through your shoulder joint. Straight leg. Keep walking through your foot towards your face. Be here. Curl the toes towards you. Hold. And bring the right leg in. Bend the right leg, release it into the surface. Lift the left leg up and lower it towards the left side onto the surface without lifting and moving your right leg and right hip. Curl the toes towards your face. Keep walking the foot towards your face. And now, if you can, straighten the right leg. If you cannot, just stay there with the right leg bent. No lifting through the right side of your hip. Square the hips, belly button and pubic bone facing towards the ceiling. And slowly lift up the left leg. Cross it across your right leg. Take it towards the right side. Stay here. Don't lift up through your shoulder. Keep pressing the arms into the surface. And draw the leg in. Slowly release the left leg. And extend the left leg out. Parallel to the right leg. Lift your arms over your chest. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale and start feeling your spine off the mat, rolling through your spine up, lift up, 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 and bend over your straight legs. Look in the front. Do not drop the head. Inhale here. Exhale and lift up into a straight seated position. In breath over here. Exhale and once again lengthen through the crown of your head, through your arms and reach towards the front as if you want to pick up something. Inhale here. Exhale and scoop through your belly and lift up through your spine. Exhale and once again scoop the belly and bend over, up and over your straight legs, reaching with your arms forward. Inhale here, exhale and stack up your vertebrae into a nice seated position. One last time. Take a deep breath in, inhale. Exhale, scoop the belly and fold over. Stay over here, keep looking in the front, don't drop the arms. Keep curling the toes towards you. Notice that nice extension into your spine. Breathe for 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly come up. Release your arms. Come onto your all fours. Turn around. Spread your fingers well. Press the palms firmly into the surface, knees under your hips. Let's begin with cat-cow stretch. Inhale as you mobilize your spine into an extension. Curl the tailbone upwards. Open the chest towards the front. Exhale and round your spine, chin into your chest. Scoop the belly. Inhale and lift through your heart towards the front. Exhale and round through your spine, chin in towards your chest. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and come into a neutral position. And we will go into a somatic stretch. Exhale, counting for 8 counts and sit back into child's pose. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just stay here. Release your head into the surface. Take a deep breath in. Inhale over here and counting yourself. You are going to come on to all fours position. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In breath, one last time. Exhale and once again into a somatic stretch slowly. 1, 2, keep sitting back. 3, slowly. 4, this is for deep relaxation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and stay here. Maintain the long length of your arms and release your head towards the ground. And directly slide yourself through your chest. Slide like a wave through your chest onto the surface, onto your belly. Palms by the sides of your chest, elbows tucked in. Wrap the shoulders back. Head, neck, and spine in one long line. Maintain the engagement of your belly. Inhale, lift up through your head, neck, shoulder, upper back, keeping the elbows bent. You are lifting only halfway. Do not straighten the arms. Exhale and slowly draw your ribs, your chest, your head into the surface. Inhale, wrap the shoulders back and lift up through your head, neck, upper back, mid back, elbows in. Exhale and slowly release everything down into the surface. Inhale, glide the shoulders back, lift up, head, neck, shoulder, upper back, mid back. Exhale and slowly release everything down into the surface. One more time. Inhale and lift up. And exhale. And this time grab both your feet with your palms. Rest your head onto the surface. Pull the feet into your hips. Do not widen the legs way too much. Let them be parallel to each other. Keep pressing the heels into the hips. And we will go into a gentle movement to work more onto our quads. So just inhale, lift up through your upper body and press the feet away from your hips into your palms. Exhale and roll through your upper body down and press the feet into your hips. Inhale and lift up through your upper body and kick the feet into your palms. Exhale and press the feet into your hips and lower your upper body. Inhale and lift up through your head and chest and your feet pushing back. Exhale and press the feet into your hips. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. One last time. Inhale and lift up through your head and chest. Exhale and release. Press the feet into your hips. Stay there. Keep pressing the feet firmly. And slowly release the clasp of your feet. Widen your legs. Drop on your inner ankles into crocodile pose. Rest your forehead onto the pillow of your palms. And we will relax the front of our shoulder joint and our chest muscles. So bring the arms in a T position, palms pressing down, join the legs together. Turn your head towards the right side. So rest your left ear, left cheek onto the surface. And from here, start turning towards the back. Turn towards the back onto your left hip. Stacking both the legs over each other and lift your right arm up and wrap it around your waist. Stay there. Press the left shoulder joint into the surface. You can even bend the right leg if you wish. Just hold this. This feels amazing into the shoulder joint and upper back and shoulder blades. Hold for a few breaths. And let's turn towards the center. Once again, arms in a T position. This time, turn your head onto the other side, facing your right ear and right cheek onto the surface. Legs are together and start turning back once again onto the other side. So press through your right shoulder joint into the surface. Wrap your left arm around your waist. Turn back, center. Slowly widen your legs. Drop on your inner ankles in a crocodile pose. Rest your forehead onto the pillow of your palms. Completely release your belly and your pubic bone into the surface. And slowly bring the palms by the sides of your chest. Join your legs together. Tuck the toes in. Prepare yourself for downward facing dog. Lift up through your sitting bones, facing up towards the ceiling into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers, widen your arms, shoulder width apart. Elongate through the back of your arms. Tear the mat horizontally. Press the heels into the surface. Tip the crown of the head towards the ground. Armpits pointing back, back of the legs pointing towards the back of the room. Keep lifting through your sitting bones up. Take the shoulder blades into you. Notice the long length of your spine and your legs. Imagine I am grabbing your ankles and I am fixing your ankles into the surface and you want to jump up. Just visualize and imagine that feeling and then adjust your posture. And now widen the legs mat distance apart and further depress the crown of your head down. Now take the right foot outside your right palm and drop the left knee down, toes flat into a lizard pose. Look in the front, chest opening forward and tailbone in. Just few breaths over here. Keep releasing the left hip, left thigh into the surface. And take a deep breath in. Curl the left toes, go into downward facing dog. Maintain the wideness of your legs. Inhale over here. Exhale and step the left foot outside your left palm into a lizard. Drop the right knee down, right toes flat. Open the heart towards the front, tailbone in. Keep releasing the right hip into the surface. And with one deep breath, step back into downward facing dog once again. Maintain the wideness of the legs and keep dipping through the crown of your head. Push away from your palms. Keep lengthening through the back of your legs, sides of your legs and your inner legs. And slowly walk your palms back towards your feet. Distribute your weight equally onto the front and the back of your feet. Do not shift the weight towards the back. If you can flatten the palms in front of your feet or come onto the tips of your fingertips. Look in the front, concave lower back, stay there. Those of you who can grab your ankles and take the head closer towards your legs, take the head closer. Otherwise, just stay over here on the tips of your fingers, looking in the front, extending through the spine. Rest of you can grab your ankles and draw the head closer towards your legs into a complete forward bend. Otherwise, just stay here. And slowly from here, just sit down into a yogi squat, bringing the elbows between your knees, joining the palms into a namaste in front of your heart center. Press the elbows into your inner knees and push the knees away from each other. Keep lengthening the tailbone down towards the ground. And walk your palms forward. Widen the knees. Join your big toes. And sit back with your hips onto your heels and go into Adho Mukha Virasana. Wide knee child's pose. Extend your arms forward. Rest your chin or your forehead into the surface and just relax. Maintain the long length of your spine. Keep pulling the tailbone towards the back of the room. Push the hips onto your heels. If your head is not coming down, take a pillow, take a cushion and rest your head onto it. Just relax for a few breaths. This is the last pose for the day. And roll through your spine up. Join your legs together, come into a cross-legged position. Do some shoulder rolls. Couple of rounds towards the back and towards the front. And from here, once again, close your eyes, inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale into a long exhalation, draw your arms by the sides. Inhale, tune into your breath, connect with your body, notice how you are feeling after an hour. Exhale and draw the arms by the sides. This time, inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale and bend forward, surrendering yourselves. Surrender towards divine supreme power, towards Mother Earth, towards your family and your friends, seeking their blessings and always being kind and grateful towards them. And slowly come up. Rub your palms. Feel the warmth and the energy through your palms all over you. Awaken yourself, rejuvenate, replenish and restore yourself for the day. Feel the energy through your palms all over your body. Massage and have a very good, happy, joyful and blessed week ahead. Thank you so much everyone for joining me for this class. Stay blessed.